Me and Maria got you a solar light for your room in case of anything, an emergency, power outage. You keep this on your window. Let's open it up. Let me see. It's cute. It's good. It's compact. You could carry it or you could put it on the stand. But this is the button here. This is the button. There's one light, two lights, high and low. She's gonna put your. I don't know. So this is the button, right? Oh, it does light up. It lights up. It's got two settings on here. That's good. Oh, it's good. Let me see. And you could hold it too. You could hold it. Just gotta go wherever. Very nice. This one's on low. Really? It's cute, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's good for,
Off an emergency,
Yeah.
some shit.